Hello everyone, I hope you're well and you're having a good week. In today's video, I'm going to discuss insurance and whether you need it as a babysitter. So for most babysitters, insurance is not something that you really think about when you start working as a babysitter. After all, if it's just the neighbor's children or your ex-teacher's child that you're going to look after, nothing's really going to go wrong, right? Well, actually wrong. So while there is no legal obligation to get publicly insured as a babysitter, it is extremely important to protect yourself in the event that something awful happens. So I guess it's best first if you understand what insurance is, in order to understand why it is so important. So insurance is a financial product that you pay for, and in the event that something happens to the thing that you've insured, such as someone crashes into your car or your phone is stolen, then the insurance company pays you out so that you can buy a new car or a new phone. So where does insurance as a babysitter come in then? Well, there are two different types of insurance that you should look into getting as a babysitter. So the first is public liability insurance. And this insurance basically protects you against any claims that a family might make against you for any damage or injury that was caused while you were working for them. Say, for example, you accidentally knocked an expensive vase off the table, or worse, the child that you were looking after had an accident that was your fault. Then public liability insurance would cover the cost of any compensation that you would owe them. So it would cover things like your legal expenses, the cost of any repairs, and any medical fees as well. The second type of insurance to be aware of is that of car insurance. Now, this is a legal requirement if you have a car. So if you already have a car, you hopefully already have this type of insurance. If you, however, intend to transport the children in your car during a booking, in other words, you want to take children to and from school using your own car or to an after-school activity, picking them up from school or taking them to friends' houses or outings, then you will need to double check with your insurance company that the car insurance that you have already covers you for business use. It usually won't cost you any more per month. It'll just need to be added to your current policy. So be sure to make your insurance company aware that you are not asking for the same insurance that a taxi driver would ask for, as that is a completely different insurance policy altogether, and you'll get a ridiculous quote if they misunderstand what cover you actually need. So the cover that you need added is different to driving people around as a main business, in other words, as a taxi driver. In most cases, depending on your provider, it is actually already included in your policy, but it is best just to get it double checked. So if you don't have any insurance and would like to get some, then we would advise looking at Morton Michael or Morton Michelle, who provide a specific childcare related insurance. Or you can shop around on many of the price comparison websites such as Compare the Market or Money Supermarket for the best car insurance or public liability insurance. If you have any other questions relating to insurance, we'll be more than happy to help you out. You can contact us at hello@britishbabysitting.com and we'll be able to help you. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.